This is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code 34878-0, and this is a problem with your system with corrupted data. So what we want to do is go up to the top and then go to settings and just go down to account management and make sure you restore the licenses on your PS4. Maybe there's an issue with the licenses where you're unable to use the game or application because of this reason. And also set your PS4 as primary if you haven't already. If you go offline, you can still play your games. You can share PlayStation Plus and all your games to every other account on your PS4. So go to this, then we can scroll on down and we could try closing the application. So just go over it and then close it and then restart it. Now also hold down the PlayStation button. You can go to power, turn it off, and unplug it from the wallet for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. That could fix the issue, but most of the time what you want to do is go to power and turn off your PS4, and you want to rebuild the database because there is something going on with the data and your hard drive, and just rebuilding the database can fix this. So turn off your PS4, go on down, and you can see it right here. This light is blinking. Wait for this to stop and plug in your controller with a USB cable right here so we can operate the safe mode menu. So this light is blinking, it should be stopping. Hold down the power button now, and about 10 seconds later you're going to hear another beep. So wait until that second beep, then let go. And then with your controller plugged in with the micro USB cable, go up to the top, and there should be an option now that says press the PlayStation button, and you can operate the safe mode menu. Then go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. So if you have any kind of corrupted data, this is what you want to do. Your hard drive isn't working. You should do this at least once a year just to fix any kind of errors and make your PS4 run a little bit quicker. So it's going to restart your PS4, bring you to this blue screen that gives you an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take, and then it's going to restart your PS4 and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.